Good morning, AC gang. So you know it's a girl Abby and CAPO's behind the camera. And guys, we just wake up and we're gonna get ready to eat some food. Come in the camera, CAPO. What the fuck is this?
I'm just starving right now, so next time you see us, we'll be around the table.
Eating.
I don't know what for breakfast I did, but I'm gonna get some food to eat right now.
So, see you guys in 3, 2, 1.
So guys, we're now at the location. It's a buffet style breakfast. So we're gonna get some tea and then I'll get up and go and look some food. I don't know what's there yet, so I'm gonna go and check out what's there. So are you what are you having?
I don't know.
Bacon.
Alright guys, so we just got on.
Finally. So you know I won't be itching.
Corn cheese and the wing. So yeah, fine. Open the water now.
I'll be looking wonderful, enjoying our breakfast. Oi, no man. This is it, guys. Alright, so we're at lunch now.
We're in food heaven.
Food heaven. Everything. Dream come true. Dream come true. All you can eat. Every day, all day. All day. We're going to be back here tonight again. Just imagine that. With different menus, different things. Abby have soup here, beef soup. She got her roast chicken, ham, whatever these things are.
Got everything. Alright guys, so yeah.
So now we're going to just enjoy our meal and see you guys later on.
Okay guys, so we just finished eating. This is the view. It's very lovely, you know. So guys, so right now we're just taking in the view. The breeze is very strong.
Then I'm going to try to take a swim of water. We have to survive.
What is on to the
Oh, hello,